Yo, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to another banger on the channel. We got another POV with the F90 M5. For those who don't know, this car does have catless downpipes and front mount intakes. And let's just go for a drive. Honestly, I'm literally getting on some random highway, but F it, man, let's get it. If you guys do enjoy today's video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. You can see we're getting on all the sport mode, and let's merge. If anybody doesn't need any parts as far as catless downpipes, front mount intakes, a full valve stainless steel titanium exhaust, hit me in my DMs on Instagram and we'll hook you boys up. But yeah guys, I honestly don't know the exact power this car is making. It is not tuned. It has the stock exhaust. All we have is catless downpipes and front mounts. So let's just say anywhere in between, maybe close to 700 horsepower, maybe even close to 750, but we're gonna round it up on the title as you guys already know. And let's keep it going. Take this exit. And keep in mind guys, this car is not tuned. It is not tuned whatsoever. It is full stock. All the burbles you hear are the factory burbles, and yes, it does sound amazing. I'm gonna be doing my best to post like once a week or at least once every other week POV drives with this car, because like I said, it does sound amazing. But keep in mind guys, in about a couple weeks time, there's gonna be a valve titanium exhaust coming from KB Tuning installed on this car. It's gonna sound insane, much louder, different tone, and I'll have valves so I can close and open it, be quiet whenever I want, be loud whenever I want, because right now the cold starts are brutal. So when I do want a cold start and I don't want it to be loud, I'll be able to close the valves. But yeah, stay tuned for that. Subscribe if you guys haven't already, with post notifications on to never miss out on a video. Trust me, every video that's gonna be posted on here is gonna be a banger. But let me stop the yapping. We're gonna get back on this highway, keep driving, and let's get it. This is gonna be a crazy video, but if you guys get this video to 150 likes, we're gonna do a video where I'm literally just drifting at every single red light, drifting every corner I can that is possible to be even able to do. But if you guys want to see a video like that with the F90, hit the like button. Let's get this video to 150 likes and we'll make that happen for you guys. But let's pop this U-turn. Like honestly, we could do something here. Oh yeah, we got a little tunnel right here for you guys. We got that turbo spool sounding amazing as always. We gotta be careful for cops, because as the day I'm recording this is on New Year's Eve, so it's like the cops are everywhere, bro. Oh my god, those turbo spools. Honestly, we should have got back on that highway. Goodness. Oh. Oh my god. I got some feedback on my last video where some people said I was shifting too early. You guys are not really enjoying the video like that. But to be honest with you guys, it's too cold outside. My tires are literally, one of them is 70 degrees, which is not enough to be real with you guys, honestly. But we're gonna pop a U-turn right here, honestly, just so we can get somewhere else. Ooh, it's freezing, but who cares? Let's go. car is actually gripping really well, especially in this cold weather, but I gotta be careful, guys. And I would be lying if I said I wasn't kind of scared to push it, which is why you guys always see me kind of shifting too early. But we'll try to do less of that in this video right here. I can't wait to see how the burbos are gonna sound with the new exhaust. Oh my god. Woo! Like, the fact that those are just the factory burbos is insane, guys. It's really insane. I can't even believe it. But we're gonna go ahead and get back on the highway right now. Let me close the windows and just enjoy, guys, to be honest. Let's put it back in automatic, and here we go. Watch how easy it is to merge. Just watch. We're going like 40 right now. And of course, stuck behind the truck. Okay, we're gonna go back the other way. This is honestly the first ever roundabout where I've ever done this on. Oh my goodness. Another thing about me quote unquote shifting too early is it's not needed not to be honest with you guys. Like, it's not needed to be like, oh, I gotta floor it because I need to get up to speed. And honestly, this is a perfect spot to do something, but we're gonna say that for next video. All right. The echoes from here are crazy, guys. I hope the camera's catching all of it because it sounds insane. I wonder where this is taking us. I've never driven here before. Alright, gotta be careful. There's ice everywhere. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Ah, we're crazy. We're bugging. We're bugging. Dude, the way this car grips, it's insane. Oh my god. That's honestly the perfect end to this video. If you guys did enjoy, please like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, post notifications on, because this is not the end. And listen, we could have been spinning this corner right here, but we're gonna say that for the next video because we're gonna go crazy. And I'm telling you, it's gonna be a crazy video. Get this video to 150 likes and we'll do that for you guys. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace out.